newspaper. No, don't want no newspaper today. Oh, big man. Oh, pretty girl. Excuse me. Big man not nice. Pizza! No, not hungry. Pretty photo? No, don't need no photo. What is that? Bob's Practical Parrots. What is a practical parrot?
Come in now. Low price, good deal only today.
Oh, a trained parrot. Good show, Bob.
I'm Bob. This jerk works for me.
How very peculiar. I think I need a good lie down.
So you gonna come in or stand there all day?
Oh dear. I don't know what to do. But I do think I'd like to see a practical parrot.
This is your lucky day. Our entire stock is on sale.
Oh, two pretty birds.
We like quality, not quantity.
Oh goodness.
Allô, je suis Francine.
You look like you could use a couple of weeks in France. In France, it's very important to always say please and thank you.
Viens dans ma chambre, s'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup.
What if you're in France and you gotta take a leak?
Où est la salle de bain?
So you'll meet Francine in France. Am I right?
I'm sorry. I don't think I'll be going to France.
Not a problem. Maybe you want to take Francine home just to listen to her talk.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I see what you want. You like your action closer to home. So you need a bar buddy like Bart. You sit down and you just let Bart do all the talking. He can handle any situation.
Shut up, Bob. I've got this. All you do is walk up to the bar. Then I say to the bartender, I have a double whiskey, straight up. All the women in the bar will hear you and long for you. A real man. You sit beside the one you choose, and I say to her, you have the most beautiful eyes I've ever seen. Would you like to come home with me and see my stamp collection? And if you did not choose well, I can correct your mistake.
Oh, she's your girlfriend? Excuse me, sir. I was just leaving.
You can take me home today and watch your love life explode tomorrow.
No, thank you. I have to go now.
You really need to be more practical. Here's an example of what I mean. Your hair is very nice, and parrot food is cheap. You understand what I'm saying?
Thank you. I'm going home to lie down now. I don't need parrot food. Goodbye. I guess I should have been more practical.